And got an unboxing due here from Amazon. Just came today. Very excited about this. I don't think since doing my new channel, I don't think I have anything DC related on my channel. I think it's mostly been Marvel and Power Rangers, so this might be the thing for sure. This is gonna be the first DC figure video on my new channel. But yeah, let's get this open. My phone just fell. That's pretty cool. Didn't realize how big the box was. If I was a mock collector, I'd probably be pretty pissed off about this right here. And I would do a review on this too. So this is what I got from Amazon. It's Ultraman, DC Comics Super Villains. Looking really nice. I do want to track all of them, but at the moment I can't. But yeah, a review coming up for him will be soon. As soon as I upload this video, I'm going to do a review on it. So yeah, comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching.